Hello everyone, how are you today? First, I will tell you about myself. My name is Najmin Rafifa. I'm from program study Arabic. So, I will tell you about Islam. Chapter about Al-Quran. Explain about what the Quran. The Quran is the word of Allah. The Quran is certainly different from other books because the Quran from the past until now has not changed either the edition or subversion of the context. It is different with other books that have changed. Chapter 4 about Hajj. Hajj is the five pillar of Islam. Hajj is obligatory for Muslims who are physically and financially capable. Hajj time start from the 8th until 13th Zulhijjah. There are 5 hours of Hajj, namely Ihram, Wukuf, Tawaf, Sya'i, and Tahallul. Hajj is obligatory, namely Ihram, Mabit in Muzdalifah, Mabit in Mina, throwing Jumrah Ula, Wusta, Aqabah, and Tawaf for those who will leave Mecca. Chapter 5 about Angels. Angels are creation of God who have had their respective titles, both small and large texts, and angels are also God's creation who are very loyal to God. Chapter 6 about Akhirat. Man is a born creator. However, his life span has been divided by God into two parts. The world is a place where humans do jobs that must be carried out in accordance with the Quran as a way of life while in the hereafter is the place of accountability for their action. There is such a thing as heaven, a beautiful place reserved for people whose good deeds are more numerous. Well, there is also hell for people whose bad deeds dominates more than their good deeds. Chapter 7 about Prophet. A prophet is someone who is chosen by Allah to be his messenger. He sends his angel to him to inform him of his new status. In that way, the individual can have good beliefs about his appointment. As God's apostolic leader, God delivers his message to him through his angel, so that he might communicate the divine teachings to all his followers. Chapter 8 about mosques in Islam. The masjid is a house of a God-fearing people. This means in effect that it is a center for the invocation of reverence, where individuals learn what is meant by piety and are prepared for a life of devotion to the Almighty. Chapter 9 about Zakat. Zakat is the fourth pillar of Islam. Zakat meaning setting apart for Allah every year a certain portion of one's saving and healthy. Chapter 10 about the essence of fasting. Fasting is prescribed once a year in the month of Ramadan. One fasts every day of the month from the first light of the king until sundown. During that time, one abstain completely from food and drink. According to the Quran, there are two purposes of fasting, namely to make one comfortable in life, to make one thankful to God. Maybe until here, I'm so sorry for my mistakes. Thank you. See you next time.